If PC Life Insurance Norway pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people assume life insurance is just about leaving money for your family, but if PC in Norway offers policies that provide protection, flexibility and even financial growth. So how much are you actually paying, and what do you get? If PC offers both term life and whole life options, term life is the most cost-effective choice. For example, a healthy 35-year-old with a 3 million NOK 20-year term policy might pay approximately 250-350 NOK per month. This ensures that your loved ones are financially protected if something unexpected happens during the term. Whole life policies cost more, around 500 to 500 NOK monthly, but they accumulate a cash value over time. This cash value can be used for emergencies, large expenses or retirement planning, making the policy both protective and a long-term financial tool. Optional riders enhance the policy even further. You can include critical illness coverage, total and permanent disability protection, or income protection. For instance, critical illness coverage provides a payout if diagnosed with a serious disease like cancer, helping you maintain your lifestyle and cover medical costs during recovery. Flexibility is another benefit. Many IFPC policies allow you to adjust coverage amounts or premiums over time, adapting to life changes like marriage, parenthood, or career shifts. This keeps your insurance aligned with your financial goals. So, what do you really get for your money? Affordable term protection, permanent coverage with cash value growth, optional riders for added security, and the reliability of a well-established Norwegian insurer. In short, IFPC Life Insurance isn't just a death benefit. It's a comprehensive financial tool offering security, adaptability, and potential long-term value. That's the surprising truth about what your premiums actually buy.